Hi, I joined a group training class today. Why? Because apparently being cute isn't enough anymore. Now we're spinning in circles. I think the humans are lost. Passing by other dogs without sniffing them? This feels illegal. Look at us, little furry statues. I'm totally not about to fall asleep sitting up. Just casually weaving through a minefield of temptation. And now, my catwalk moment. Notice the speed, the style, the sheer unwillingness. He touched me, without treats. That's not how this works, sir. He wanted to check my teeth. Bro, this ain't a dental clinic. Don't talk to me. I've been professionally annoyed for 2 hours. Follow us for more adventures.